Hello, and welcome to Creative Corner. Today we will learn the Illustrator trick of rotating objects. First of all, we will draw a shape that we want to rotate. For this, draw a circle and choose its lower point using Direct Selection tool and move it towards bottom of the screen. You can learn more about Direct Selection tool, link is in the description. Select the shape using the Selection tool and then choose the Rotate tool from the toolbar. Now, hold Alt button and click the center of rotation. Now, select the angle of rotation. And click Copy. Press Ctrl+D to make copies of it. Let's make some useful design using this technique. Just repeat the whole process. Let's make another design. You can use it to create stamps or even minimal logos. Let me repeat the steps we have discussed so far. Number 1, create a nice shape. Click the shape, and select Rotate tool from toolbar or by pressing R on keyboard, and click on the center of rotation. Select the angle of rotation and click Copy. Note the formula for it. Press Ctrl+D to make multiple similar copies around the center of rotation. That's all for today. Hope you find it helpful. Let me know in the comment section if you want to suggest a topic. Happy learning!